Payal.
No, please, Shaurya. Shaurya, please let me go. No, please don't come close to me, Shaurya. No. He has come again! Take him away from here! He has come again! Take him away from here! Take him away from here! No!
What happened? What happened? No one is there. No one is there, Payal. Calm down. Calm down. No one is there, Payal. Calm down. No one is there. No one is there. Calm down, Payal. Payal, no one is there.
Payal, calm down.
Calm down.
Payal, calm down.
Calm down, Payal. What happened? Calm down. Take her away. Calm down. Take her away.
I am free!
What's the matter, Shaurya? Why did she get so scared on seeing you? Shaurya? Shaurya, do you know her? It seems seeing you, she remembered someone. She has never reacted like this before, Shaurya. Shaurya!